Universe is saying to you today, new opportunities are about to start flooding into your life, ushering in a new chapter of abundance and prosperity for you and your entire family. You have been praying for support, and the universe is answering all of your prayers with divine timing. Take a deep breath and know that you have nothing to worry about. You are being taken care of. Center yourself in the present moment and create a beautiful day. Before the year is done, you are going to experience a huge amount of success, clarity, healing, and breakthroughs in every aspect of your life. Just keep an eye on how quickly things change for you. There will be a lot of reason to celebrate. Wonderful news and positive energy in every aspect of your life. There is a bigger plan for your life. Be at peace and trust how it's all unfolding for you. The moment you stop comparing your growth journey to others is the moment you experience true liberation. Each one of us is unique, therefore, we have unique timelines. Everything you have gone through up to this point in life was essential for you. Now it is time to let it all go and accept the new path the universe is guiding you down. It is all working out in your favor. Surrender to the process. You will soon look back and find yourself living what you are currently dreaming about. You are already living what you once were dreaming about. This means anything is possible for you. You can have it. Keep dreaming, believing, and knowing that you are always receiving. Affirm, there is always a blessing coming out of everything that's happening in my life. I learn, grow, gain insight, expand my mind, and attract greater in every situation. I only keep going better, and everything is already in my favor. Type S if you believe in God. Subscribe God's message for you, and don't forget to press on bell icon. May God bless you all. Thanks for watching.